Exponential decay happens when something keeps shrinking by the same percentage over equal time periods. In this problem, a radioactive substance starts with 500 grams and loses half its mass every 5 years. That every 5 years part is called the half-life. The key idea is that the amount does not drop by the same number each time, it keeps getting cut in half. So the pattern looks like this. 500 becomes 250, then 125, then 62.5, then 31.25. Each step is another half-life. Now let's connect that pattern to the formula. For half-life problems, we use A equals A sub 0 times 1/2 raised to the power t over n. Here, A sub 0 is the starting amount, t is the total time, and n is the half-life. From the problem, A sub 0 equals 500 grams, t equals 20 years, and n equals 5 years. Now substitute those values into the formula. A equals 500 times 1/2 raised to the 20 over 5. Next, simplify the exponent. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. That means 20 years contains 4 half-lives. So now we have A equals 500 times 1/2 to the 4th power. An exponent just means repeated multiplication. 1/2 to the 4th means multiply 1/2 by itself 4 times, which equals 1/16. Now multiply. 500 times 1/16 equals 500 divided by 16, which equals 31.25. So after 20 years, only 31.25 grams remain from the original 500 grams. You can also verify it with the halving pattern. 500, 250, 125, 62.5, then 31.25 after the 4th half-life. The formula and the pattern match perfectly.